Want to become a trusted, go-to seller on Fiverr? In this video, I'll summarize the long-term strategy for building an unshakable reputation on the platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Building a reputation isn't about quick tricks, it's about consistently demonstrating reliability, quality, and professionalism over time. The foundation is delivering exceptional work, on time, for every single order. Consistency is what builds a brand that buyers can trust. Actively collect positive reviews. As we discussed, exceed expectations and politely encourage feedback. A long history of 5-star ratings is your strongest reputation asset. Finally, engage professionally at all times. This includes clear communication, graceful handling of revisions, and professional responses to all reviews, good or bad. A crucial pro tip: patience and persistence are everything. Your reputation compounds over time. Every completed order, every happy client, and every positive review adds another brick to the foundation of your Fiverr business. There are no shortcuts. And just like that, you're on the path to becoming a Fiverr superstar. Building a rock-solid reputation is the ultimate key to long-term, sustainable success. What's the one piece of advice you'd give to a new seller about building reputation? Share your wisdom in the comments. This concludes our Fiverr Deep Dive series for now. Thanks for watching.